Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the world of educational toys with a focus on Alphabet Soup learning resources. Parents and educators are always on the lookout for engaging ways to teach children fundamental skills like letters and words. Enter our featured product, a comprehensive set designed to make learning fun and interactive. This Alphabet Soup set isn't your ordinary toy. It combines the timeless appeal of alphabet learning with hands-on play. Crafted from durable materials, each piece is designed to withstand the rigors of enthusiastic playtime. Let's break down what makes this set stand out. First, it includes a variety of letter-shaped pieces that encourage tactile exploration and fine motor skills development. Whether your child is tracing the shapes or sorting them by color, every interaction reinforces letter recognition. From early phonics to basic spelling, this set supports various stages of learning. It's a fantastic tool for introducing young learners to the building blocks of language in a playful manner. Versatility is key here. Beyond alphabet learning, these pieces can be used in imaginative play scenarios, adding a creative dimension to the learning process. Plus, the durable construction ensures that it can withstand even the most energetic of little learners. Parents will appreciate how easy it is to clean and store this set. The pieces are conveniently sized and come with a storage solution that keeps everything neat and tidy between play sessions. In conclusion, if you're looking to enhance your child's early learning journey with a product that combines education and fun seamlessly, this Alphabet Soup learning resource is a top contender. It's not just about teaching letters. It's about sparking curiosity and laying a solid foundation for lifelong learning. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews of innovative products like this one. Until next time, happy learning!